Hey, everybody. Welcome. Welcome to Advocates for Justice Paralegal Service live feed on Facebook. Yeah, my name is Coach Neighbors, and I approve this message. Hang on a second. We are going to go live on Facebook, so it's going to take me a minute to pull it up. I'm going to choose where we want to post our video. And it's downloading right now. And we need to, it's still downloading. Give us a second here. Oh, by the way, I'm here with my buddy. Hey, come over here and say hi. Come on. Come over here and say hi. This is my guard dog, Portia, a golden doodle guard dog. She works really hard. I think we're on now. So we are going to get started. Hello, everybody. Today, by the way, this is my my guard dog, Portia. She's going to be helping me out today, spread the message that we have more power than we realize. She has some sunglasses too. We'll see if she wants to wear her sunglasses for a minute. Want to wear your sunglasses for a minute? Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. How about that? She has her shades on. Yeah, she'll wear them for treats. Give me kisses. Let you give me kisses. Okay, there you go. One more treat for you. Okay. I don't think she's gonna make it through the whole video with her shades on. So today we're going to talk about a couple of things. We're going to discuss the new package that I put together to hold the magistrate judge accountable. Pay attention, because you're gonna have a quiz on this later. Okay, so you gotta make sure you pay attention. Today we're going to talk about the package that we put together to hold the magistrate judge accountable for dismissing your lawsuits. Magistrate judge only has jurisdiction upon the signing of consent form. Without that consent form, the magistrate judge does not have jurisdiction to be involved in your case. And apparently what they're doing in a lot of cases, people are filing their lawsuit packages, and the magistrate judge is actually putting together a report and serving that report and giving that report to the district judge and having the district judge dismiss your lawsuit without even looking at it. And that's just not right. But before we get into all that, I want to remind you guys, please, 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 and Portia's saying please too, right, Portia? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why don't you turn this way? There you go. There you go. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share. Your subscriptions will help me help other people. And also, what? I'm trying to talk here. You messed up my video. Okay. You want to talk for a while? Okay. And it'll also help me feed my big guard dog here. Portia. Portia, can you say hi? I'm talking about you. Say hi. There you go. Can you say hi in the camera? Okay, yeah. She eats a lot of expensive stuff. So you guys, please subscribe to my channel. It'll help us help a lot of other people that are struggling with this foreclosure issue. Okay, so let's get on to it. The new document is to address the magistrate judge's lack of jurisdiction. It is an objection and notice of claim for $5.5 million for violation of Administrative Procedures Act. Also, we're going to jam them up for the obstruction of administration of justice and violation of, what are you doing? and for violation of the constitutional rights under the color of law. Okay. Now, the Administrative Procedures Act of 1946 is actually a federal law that was put in effect in 1946, and it actually has an enacting clause. Not all the federal laws have enacting clauses. The enacting clause is what makes it a legal law. Okay, I'll take that off. There you go. Now, can you pay attention now? Because there's going to be a quiz on this later. Okay, you need to pay attention. Okay, messing up my video. Okay. Okay. And that law mandates that corporations have to have their policies and procedures in line with the Constitution. If they are not, they can be held liable under the Administrative Procedures Act of 1946. Now, if you're going to research this, you have to make sure that you punch in the Administrative Procedures Act of 1946, because if you don't, then you'll pull up a Cornell Law Library of all kind of watered down stuff that don't even make any sense. Okay. When the magistrate judge acts in your case without judicial authority or legal consent, he is in violation of 28 U.S.C. Section 636. Okay, and also the Civil Rules of Procedure, Rule 73. Okay, the statute that we just mentioned defines the jurisdiction, powers, and temporary assignments of the magistrate judge. Every one of the judge's willful, prejudicial, and illegal acts and omissions favored the defendants when the judge unlawfully dismissed your lawsuit to the detriment of the plaintiff, and have without a doubt called the judge's impartiality into question. Okay, and now once you call the judge's impartiality into question, it becomes a problem. Now, we mentioned at the beginning of this video, we talked about the power that we have, but we need to learn how to use it. And this is part of that power. Statute 28 U.S.C. Section 455 expressly forbids a judge to continue under these circumstances. Okay. The second document in this package is a notice of recusal pursuant to, yes, 28 U.S.C. Section 455. Okay. The judge's impartiality is challenged due to his or her acting without consent or jurisdiction, obstructing administrative justice in your case. Okay. The judge rules in this case without consent or jurisdiction, and dismiss the cause, causing the plaintiff to suffer wrongful eviction and actual illegal foreclosure and theft of the plaintiff's property. The magistrate judge can only the magistrate judge can only take jurisdiction upon consent of all the parties. So if you haven't signed that consent form, then the magistrate judge does not have consent to be involved in your party and to be involved in your lawsuit. Now you have to be careful, because you just can't say they didn't have jurisdiction, because the federal court's already trying to get out of responding to the issues that we have listed in the lawsuit package. Okay, so they're trying real hard to get out of addressing those issues because they don't want to get caught up in the fraud, is my opinion. Okay, so you have to be careful how you handle that, and you got to make sure that your argument is that it's the magistrate judge's problem that doesn't have jurisdiction because you never provided consent for the magistrate judge to be involved in your case. The plaintiff never provided consent for a lesser judge to be involved in his lawsuit, and that's pretty much what a magistrate judge is. Magistrate judge is supposed to be a helper to the district judge to do piddly stuff or whatever. But yeah, they bend the rules and do whatever they want because we are not aware of what's really going on. Okay. So the Supreme Court has ruled and affirmed that the principle that justice must satisfy the appearance of justice. Further, the judge has a legal duty to disqualify himself or herself, even if there's no motion asking for the disqualification. Okay. None of the orders issued by the judge who has been disqualified by law are valid. The orders are void as a matter of law and are of no legal force in effect. if you've invested into one of my lawsuit packages and the magistrate judge interfered in your case without written consent, these are the two documents you need, okay? We have more power than we realize. We just need to learn how to use it. So if you need these two documents, shoot me an email or a private message or give me a call. Coach Neighbors, my number is 913-240-0227. Give me a call and let's see if we can help you get your case back on track and get the magistrate judge out of your face. I think it's what are you talking to? Come up here so people can see you. Come on. Here. No, you gotta come up here so people can see you. You say, hey, yeah, she's over laying down there talking in the background. There you go. Is that good? Is that good? You want some more? That's all I got right now. Okay. That's all I got right now. You're a nice doggy most of the time, right? When you're being good. Okay. Can you say hi to everybody? Okay. Say, hi, everybody. Okay, let me finish up. So if you guys need this document, if you're having this trouble with them throwing your lawsuit out, have the federal judge making a report to throw your lawsuit out, give me a call or to send me a message. And if you've already invested I'm talking right now, okay? If you've invested in my program, we will get this over to you so you can get your lawsuit back on the records. We have a couple of other documents that just came in from the angels in the group that have been preparing documents. I'm going to list them later tonight. I'm going to put them in the free stuff post. You know, that sign that I posted says free stuff. I'm going to repost that every time I have documents to add to it. And you guys might want to check that because, and even people in the group that haven't invested in a lawsuit package, you guys are welcome to use the free stuff. I think right now we have 3 or 4 documents in it, an affidavit, and I don't remember what the other stuff is in it, but you can scroll down on the Facebook feed post and take a look at that page that says free stuff, the big free stuff sign. I'm going to post it again tonight with a couple of more documents that came in today that people would need. One of the documents I remember off the top of my head because I was really impressed with it was the affidavit of non-response. In our new judicial foreclosure package, we have 2 or 3 people that have it pending, and 2 of the 3 people, the attorneys weren't able to, they actually did respond, but the attorneys for the law firm responded, and we added the attorney that signed the paperwork and the law firm to the action as an M1 defendant. So the attorney can't represent the law firm in court because the law firm is a corporation and they work for the corporation. They don't realize we know that, but they actually realize it now because we filed our motion, our notice to strike, or demand to strike the attorney's appearance from the court record, because that's a violation of the rules. To have the attorney representing the law firm, to have attorney affiliated with the law firm representing the law firm in court, that's a no-no. So we actually moved to strike all of the attorneys. Well, we moved to strike the attorney's notice of appearance, which means that everything that the attorney filed gets stricken from the record now. And in both cases, we haven't heard anything from anybody. So we went ahead and we filed a motion for summary judgment, and the time has passed for them to respond to that too. I think one of the things that we did in the new state state judicial wrongful foreclosure lawsuit is we implemented the concepts that were discussed in the YouTube video that I found, how to get on the do not detain list. And that concept basically was showing that you are a citizen of the Republic state you were born in and not a citizen of the United States federal corporation. And once you can prove that, then you want to talk? You want to work on the computer while I'm talking? Trying to make a video here. Are you helping me? Okay, once you can prove that you are not a citizen of the federal corporation, then you're no longer, they no longer have statutory jurisdiction over you. What? I'm trying to talk here, okay? Let me finish up, I'm almost done. Okay, here. Oh, you ate all the goodies already. Next time I'll bring a couple more goodies. Okay, you're moving my computer now, okay? I'm gonna have to write you up, okay, if you keep moving my computer. I'm gonna send you to timeout, to doggy timeout. So if you guys are ready to rock and roll, I know we got a lot of new people in the group that haven't stepped up yet to, start getting their lawsuit files. We need to stop wasting time. I want you guys to give me a call if you're interested, and let's get started. Time is going to run out, and you're going to be facing the eviction process. The best way to do this, especially in a non-judicial foreclosure, is to get your documents on the record before the eviction process, because the way our program works, the documents that you file at the gate block the eviction process at the end. And that's the way we kind of have it set up. So anyway, you guys know how to find me. Please take the time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my phone number is 913-240-0227. Thank you. Have a great day.